Happy 2024 local guides! As a goal for this year, a handful of local guides have shared their focus on uploading more videos onto Google Maps. As such, I thought I would delve into another category on maps where you can capture videos: nature and parks. Here are 5 ideas of what you can include in your Google Maps videos of nature and parks: trailhead area, bird's eye view, trail accessibility, movement and sound, and landmarks. Trailhead amenities. Video can be used to showcase the trailhead area as well as nearby amenities. You can also highlight accessibility features. This first video gives visitors an idea of what the trailhead looks like. We see it offers a display map, and we get a sneak peek of the view and the parking lot behind. The second video allows us to see the parking lot and restroom amenities at the trailhead. We can also see the accessibility feature of the handicap parking space. This third video showcases the nearby visitor center by the trailhead. Bird's eye view. With a video shot from a bird's eye view, you can help the viewer better visualize the height of the trail, and a bird's eye view can also provide that aerial overview of the nature park. To film that, you will want to position yourself at a higher point in the park. In this video, you can see how the bird's eye view lets you see how high up the trail is. This next video shows how a bird's eye view can present an aerial overview of the park. Trail accessibility. Potential visitors to a park may want to know if the trails are beginner-friendly or accessible to walk on. You can capture the scenery along with what the trail looks like to get 2 birds with 1 stone. This first video shows the flat trail, which is good for those new to hiking or want a more accessible path. This second video shows the trail steps, which help make walking downhill more accessible. This third video shows the rocky trail, which is not as accessible. However, it may encourage visitors who want more of a challenging hike. Movement and sound. Videos allow you to capture movement and sound in a nature park. For example, this video shows how I'm able to capture the movement and sound of the stream. Landmarks. You can use video to capture any major landmarks in the park. Videos allow for a more 3D immersive feeling, and you can showcase multiple angles of a landmark, which also aid in visualizing size. Video makes this rock more 3D when viewing, and it also allows for that height perspective, as it lets the viewer imagine how huge that rock landmark is from the ground perspective that it's filmed. I hope this video was helpful. Until next time, local guides.